Most platform owners think monetizing a niche dating or community site stops at monthly subscriptions or pay-per message credits. But what if your members could purchase physical merchandise, digital guides, or even one-on-one consultation services right inside your ecosystem? Let's talk about how to turn your platform into a fully monetized hub. When launching a niche dating site or specialized online community, most platform owners focus heavily on a single revenue model: monthly subscriptions or credit packages. While recurring memberships provide steady baseline revenue, relying solely on subscriptions leaves substantial money on the table. Today, modern web communities appreciate an all-in-one hub where they can interact, learn, and shop, all without leaving your domain. By leveraging the built-in e-commerce capabilities in the iDateMedia platform, you can diversify your revenue streams, offer high-value services, and boost overall user lifetime value. You might not immediately have a product in mind or develop, that is fine. An alternative option would be to offer specialized services like consulting sessions. And to be clear, we are not saying bypass the bigger e-commerce storefronts. There is wisdom in spreading your net as wide as you can for customer acquisition. You can incentivize your loyal audience to purchase from your site. Let's walk through an example. While third-party marketplaces offer initial exposure, you surrender a massive chunk of your profits to fees, plus you can lose control of your customer relationships. Let's look at the numbers. Say you sell a niche dating guide or custom gift box. On Amazon or eBay, you sell the item for $50. After fees, you will be making a net profit of $17.50. Meanwhile, you can offer the same product on your iDateMedia storefront for only $42. And although you have to now deal with merchant processing fees, it is significantly cheaper than the platform fees you would pay on other sites. You could make $20.74 net profit per sale. Notice what happened there. Your member saved $8, but you made $3.24 more profit per sale. Plus, you retain the customer relationship and open the door for future upselling potential. In the admin settings, you want to find Shop on the left side nav and then start with configuration, where this entire module is turned on and off with the simple click of a toggle. Moving to the product screen, we can see everything currently listed, which can consist of physical products like a hoodie or a sticker, digital products like a PDF calendar or planner, or even services like consulting or face-to-face conversations. Let's go ahead and add to our shop offering by clicking the Add New Product button. We've gone ahead and filled in the following product information. Starting from the top, we've got the title of the product. The slug is referring to the URL extension. The short description is what's viewable on the tile, as opposed to the full description is what a customer would read on the product description page. We also have been able to upload an image. These toggles below empower you to mark a product active or inactive, depending on the current availability. Requires shipping will allow those fees to be passed off onto the customer during the checkout process. Typically, a digital product or some sort of service does not require shipping. We're going to moment to select Add Product, and we have been notified that that is saved successfully. Let's see now what this storefront looks like from a mobile device. As a user navigates to the shop page via the main menu, they're going to be able to see the products that you have available and have quick access to their order history. Earlier, we were in the admin panel adding a product to the shop. Here we can see on the product summary tile the title, short description, price, and most importantly, the image that is going to grab your customer's attention immediately. Clothing, ebooks, education plans, exclusive tickets to in-person events, or coaching sessions specific to your niche are just a few examples of things that can be listed on the shop. Here is the product we added earlier in the video. Clicking on the View button will open up the product description page, where the long description can really be tailored to tell the story of why your customers have to have it. Adjust the quantity so that you can bring your data cup to commemorate the platform that brought the two of you together. You might be tempted to get a few more, but save something for the other swag that is available. We will add to cart, and although it is enticing to keep shopping, let's view our cart to check out. Clear call to action buttons prompt us to adjust what might currently exist in the cart to continue shopping or proceed to checkout. The same payment processor you use for handling monthly subscriptions is what handles shop transactions. Stop leaving revenue on third-party marketplaces and start owning your platform's full earning potential. Log into your site administration panel to explore the new features, or contact your iDateMedia.com account manager today to get started on building a more connected, vibrant dating ecosystem. Please follow our YouTube channel to stay informed on additional capabilities we roll out in the future. If you have a custom request, reach out to us at sales@iDateMedia to discuss further.